So welcome to the NeuroMotor Training Fitness Center. I'll take you on a little tour here. First, on the right, we have ping pong. Really good game for the brain, and it's fun. We always have water on hand, water and seltzer water. We always have coffee and tea available. So take a little stroll through and I'll show you what we have. Just starting over here, normally down here we have what is in this bag right now, some compression sleeves that we use to help people with edema and swelling, and it works fantastic. We do a lot of transmitting of, let's say, cognition charts, memory charts to the TV using some various apps. For cardio, we have one of the things that we have is an NeuroTrack bicycle. Okay, we can tour around the world on this. It's a great product. We also have the highest end whole body vibration plate called Power Plate. This is whole body vibration. It helps with numerous things such as increasing bone density, increasing blood flow back to the heart, increasing lymphatic fluid flow, fascial fluid flow, joint stability. Again, bone density is a big one. We have a client who comes in who's gained a half a pound of bone density in the past year, and her osteoporosis is getting much better. We can do exercises on this. It wakes up the nervous systems and the brain, and it's an amazing device. We have the climbers. These are replicate a vertical crawling pattern, if you will. And it's a fantastic workout for the body, musculoskeletal system, and actually the brain. We also have a smaller power plate over here because power plate's very popular. All right. Of course, we have some boxing available. Lots of different boxing gloves. We have, these for safety. We can move around anywhere. We just happen to have this board here, which is called the Bobo Balance Board. And what happens is it syncs up with the tablet, all right, the iPad, and we can play games on it. We control using the board. All right, so that's a really popular item here. This board is called the Relaxing Balance Board. This is a little bit over 4 feet by 8 feet in dimensions. I'm going to put it on the most drastic setting right now to just show you that when you're on this, okay, this thing moves. Now remember, that's very drastic. Out of 14 levels, this is on level 14. So, looking at it, our job is to stay upright, right? Our brain wants to keep us safe. That's the primary job of the brain, to keep us safe. Well, when we do exercises on this, it really helps to challenge our neuroreactive capabilities, if you will. And if we put it on, let's say, level 1, which I'll do right now, you'll see that it's a whole lot different on level 1 than it is on level 14. All right, so this is level 1. This is available to members and people who do one-on-one sessions. So see, that's a whole lot different. We can put the parallel bars on there for safety. We do all kinds of movements and exercises on here. We have some fluid-filled balls, fluid-filled kettlebells, which we can do lifts, kettlebell swings on the floor or on the board. We got some old school stuff here. For example, the Smith machine, which we have TRX straps hooked up, and then even better than that, we have the T2 isotrainer straps for some isokinetic movement. Incline bench, you can do squats, everything in here. These are reactive training lights. They go different colors. We can program different ways. We have another set coming in soon. We set them up around here and use them for a lot of different movement cognition exercises. Chest press, leg press, decline press, which we use a lot for sit-ups. The ball with letters on it and numbers, so we can do cognition with it. Pec deck, reverse flies, balance boards. It's a digital weight. We can do everything on this. Digital weight up to 400 pounds. Squats, bench. This, okay, moves so you can stand on it. Treadmill, leg extension, NeuroTrack rowing machine, ladders, Got to finish up this project here. We have actually 20 something of these pads. They're not all set up right now, but what's cool about these is we can use these semi-unstable pads, okay, to practice balance. All right. We can also move this whole thing right up to the board and do it on there. So, oh, and I didn't show you, we have the speed bag and the regular bag, adjustable dumbbells. So that's some of what we have. We have a lot more, but that's those are the highlights. These are some reactive training / cognition charts, which would take me too long to explain, but they're amazing. So that's our clinic, and over here we're starting up a manual dexterity area with things like buttons and zippers and shoelaces and things that can work to help with fine motor skills, little trampoline, and of course some we have a laser system we put on people's head, and they can do some vestibular activation through here, nice and up close, move the laser through here. So in a nutshell, that's it. But we have some stuff nobody else has, especially well, we're all about neuroreactive training, keeping people healthy in their nervous system, peripheral nervous system, brain, body, you name it, holistic approach.